Here we go. This is the big coop. So we got the big coop. The middle coop, that's where Sissy and little Squawky are. They're the princesses. They don't get along with anybody else. So they have their own little area. Hi, girls. How's the princesses this morning? You look good? Pretty, pretty. Yeah? You gonna talk to me? Yes. And over here, we have the newest coop. And this is where the babies stay. We got them closed in right now. Let's open this up quietly because they'll all freak out. Here we go. Yep, this is where the babies are right now. Got their little perch they love. Oh yeah, they're causing a ruckus. They don't like me in here. But we get all different kinds in there. Rhode Island Reds, some Bod Rocks, some Astrolops, and some half-breeds. A mixture of a rooster, Red Star, and Astrolop, and they come up with their own little special breed. Alright, so we're going to close them back in. You have to keep an eye on the temperature right now and make sure that it's warm in there. And we got pretty good temperature in there right now. It's like 70 in the early morning. There's the little princesses. Hi, girls. Don't run. All right, now we're going to come over to the big coop. This is the big coop run. Yeah, it's dirty. You got chickens. That's what happens. So this is where they can come outside during the day. And then we have a little run over on this side of the big coop. So they have another little area to come and run. Now let's go inside. What does it look like inside? If I can get it open. Here we go. I hear them rustling around in there. Let's see if we got any eggs this morning. Here we go. There's one little girl up there. Oh, we had one in the box over there. Hi, ladies. Good morning. Hi. Ooh, do you have some eggs in there? They like to lay the eggs all in one box sometimes. It's weird. You get all these boxes which they lay eggs in. And sometimes they just, oh, no eggs this morning. We'll check this afternoon, but sometimes you look in here and there's like 4 or 5 in one box. Those are Astrolops. Beautiful black babies. And in the sun they glisten, are green. And this is the other little door. They go out to that run. That's Queenie. Queenie! This is the outside run. Everybody's hanging. Oh, there's the rooster. See, his tail has been pecked at because the girls like to pull his feathers out. For one, the calcium in the feathers they like to eat. And 2, they just want to pick on the rooster. So the ones that don't have feathers on the girls on the back is from him mounting them. So there you go. You got Kat and Joe's chicken farm here. Well, personal chicken farm. So we got our wood pile, got our rhino. And we go over here. We got some birds up in this little guy up here. It's really cool.